Good morning, students. I hope you have performed activity yesterday. Today we will discuss its result. You must have noticed that while putting both the hands in tap water, you must have got different feeling. आप सबने ये नोट किया होगा जब आपने एक ही टाइम पर दोनों हाथों को टैप वाटर वाले मग में डिप किया तो आपको दोनों हैंड्स पे डिफरेंट फील हो रहा है। लेफ्ट हैंड में आपको कोल्ड फील हो रहा है और राइट हैंड में आपको हॉट फील हो रहा है। दैट शो वी कैन नॉट ऑलवेज रिलाइज ऑन अ सेंस ऑफ टच टू डिसाइड वेदर एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज हॉट और कोल्ड. We generally see that some objects are cold while some are hot, and there are some objects which are hotter than other while some are colder than others. Then how do we decide? Can we decide them only by touching? Because by doing this activity, we have seen that only by touching cannot help us to know the exact temperature of an object. So for this, what we rely on a device which is known as thermometer. It is possible to identify whether an object is hot or cold with the help of temperature. So now, how do we measure a temperature? In hospitals, you might have seen doctor using a device for measuring a temperature. What is it? वो क्या होती है? It is a thermometer. वो क्या है? Thermometer. Thermometer is a device which is used to measure the exact temperature of an object. थर्मामीटर एक ऐसी डिवाइस होती है जिसका यूज़ किया जाता है एग्जैक्ट टेम्परेचर किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का एग्जैक्ट टेम्परेचर का पता लगाने के लिए. Thermometer is of two types. First is clinical thermometer, second is laboratory thermometer. Now we discussed about the clinical thermometer. So what is clinical thermometer? A type of thermometer which is used to measure the temperature of a body is called clinical thermometer. It is used only to find the temperature of a human body. It cannot be used for the measuring the temperature of the other objects. Let's understand its structure. It is a long narrow tube with same thickness throughout the length. One side of this tube there is a bulb which contains mercury. For reading a thermometer, there is a scale printed on thermometer. The normal temperature of the human body is 37 degree. However, it can vary between the 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the clinical thermometer has reading from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Here you must have understood 35 and 42 are numbers. ये तो आपको पता है कि 35 और 42 तो numbers होते हैं. And degree Celsius is a unit of temperature. डिग्री सेल्सियस क्या है? टेम्परेचर को मेजर करने के यूनिट. There is a very fine tube which is originated from the bulb. It is called capillary tube. It is called capillary tube. The capillary tube is bent near the bulb. It prevents mercury from flowing back into the bulb immediately. So it gives more time to read the temperature of a body. To get more correct reading, there are some divisions between two consecutive numbers. Then each division, if there are 10 divisions, then each division signifies 1 upon 10, that is equal to 0.1 degree Celsius of temperature. If there are 10 divisions between two consecutive numbers, if there are 10 divisions, then each Each division signifies 1 upon 10, that is equal to 0.1 degree Celsius. If there are 5 divisions, then each division adjusts 1 upon 5 equal to 0.2 degree Celsius. Now, how to use a thermometer? Before using a thermometer, you should wash it with some antiseptic solution and also give some jerk to it. Jerk means वो झटके देना, so it is to bring the mercury level falls below 35 degree Celsius. Now put the bulb of thermometer under your tongue, keep it as it is for 1 minute and let the mercury expand in the tube. Now take the thermometer out and find out the reading shown by mercury